Students, let us discuss about the mole concept. What is mole? We will discuss in this class. Okay, now let us take an example. Hydrogen combined with oxygen to form water. If I balance this reaction, write give coefficient before this and write give coefficient before this. So this is the reaction of formation of water molecule. Now this reaction or this equation can be expressed in two ways. We can say that two molecules of hydrogen combine with one molecule, since this is one molecule of oxygen, to form two molecule of water. Or another expression will be on the basis of its mass. As you know, the mass of the molecule, molecular mass, atomic mass, all this. So what is the mass of these two molecule of hydrogen? That is 4U. What is the mass of this oxygen molecule? 32U. And what is the mass of these two molecule of water? 36U. So what I say that we can express this particular equation in two ways. What is explaining the what is trying to explain with the help of this equation? Number one, on the basis of molecule. Two molecule of hydrogen combined with one molecule of water to form two molecule of hydrogen combined with one molecule of oxygen to form two molecule of water. Or we may say 4U of hydrogen combined with 32U of oxygen to form 36U of water. I think you have understood. I am finding out the molecular mass of oxygen molecule and water molecule, two water molecules, so 18 into 2, 36. So we can express in this two way. But it became one necessity that one concept we need where we get the number of molecules also and the mass also. We need such type of a concept or such type of a unit where we will get the number of molecule and the mass of the reactants, how much amount of the reactants combined to form the molecule product, and how much number of molecules combined to form the how much molecule of the product. So both we need, and to get both the value we are getting this mole concept. Mole is a term which will give us the information about how much amount of the reactants combined to form how much amount of the product, on the basis of the mass also and on the basis of the number of molecules or number of atoms also. Now what is mole? Mole is one collective word like dozen and the gross. You know, 1 dozen. 1 dozen means what? 1 dozen means 12. 1 dozen means 12. If you go to the shopkeeper and buy the fruit, then if you ask for 1 dozen, the shopkeeper will give you 12. Similar to that way, 1 rose equal to 144. So these are some collective value, collective word. Similar to that way, 1 mole is always a calculated collective value, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So if I tell you that 1 mole of trees are there in this jungle, it means that there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of trees are there in that particular jungle. So 1 mole means this much numbers. So in case of our concept, means we are doing the atoms and molecules. So 1 mole atom, any atom, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, whatever, always 1 mole atom contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. It may be hydrogen atom, it may be oxygen atom, it may be nitrogen atom. Suppose 1 mole nitrogen atom. So how much number of nitrogen atoms will be there in 1 mole of nitrogen? It will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 nitrogen atoms will be there in this 1 mole of nitrogen. Same for the molecule also. Suppose 1 mole water molecule. So what do you mean by 1 mole water molecule? So 1 mole molecule is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. This much molecules. So It may be water molecule, it may be carbon dioxide molecule, it may be sodium chloride molecule, whatever. 1 mole of the molecule means in that amount we will have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of molecules. Suppose 1 mole carbon dioxide. If anybody will ask you how much number of carbon dioxide molecules will be there in 1 mole of carbon dioxide, your value will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon dioxide molecules are there. Molecules are there in 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So I think you have got the concept of it. 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This value 6.022, this value is called Avogadro number. It is denoted by N naught. It is denoted by N naught, not equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this number is called Avogadro number. This is also called Avogadro number. Also, one more important thing is that it is found by calculation. By calculating experimentally, it is found that 1 mole of any atom, 1 mole of atom is equal to atomic mass in gram. You know atomic mass, we write the unit U, but here the value will come in 1 gram. Suppose hydrogen, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1 U. That means 1 mole hydrogen equal to 1 Z. 1 mole hydrogen means 1 gram. What is the point here? 1 mole of atom equal to atomic mass in gram. I am taking the example of hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1 U. That one you know. Atomic mass is 1 U. So what is the mass of 1 mole hydrogen then? See from this, 1 mole hydrogen is 1 gram. Again another example I want to give you. Nitrogen. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? Nitrogen atomic mass is 14 U. 14 U. So 1 mole nitrogen atom equal to 14 gram. Similar to that way for the molecule also. Same thing for the molecule also. 1 mole molecule equal to molecular mass in gram. 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass in gram. Molecular mass in gram. As for example, suppose water. What is the molecular mass of water? 18 U. So from this one, 1 mole of water molecule. 1 mole of water molecule. 1 mole of water molecule. What will be the mass of 1 mole of water molecule? We have got 1 mole of molecule equal to molecular mass in gram. So 1 mole of water molecule equal to what? It will be 18, not U. I have to write the Z here. So 1 mole water molecule equal to 18 gram. So that means there is a difference between 18 U and 18 gram. 18 U is the mass of only 1 molecule of water, mind it, but 18 gram is the mass of how much? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 water molecules mass. That concept is very important. 1 mole molecule of water means 18 gram. So 18 gram is the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of water molecules mass. Similar to that way for the atoms also. The 1 mole atom equal, which I have told you earlier, 1 mole atom equal to atomic mass in gram. We have taken the example of hydrogen. 1 mole hydrogen atom equal to 1 gram. So what is the difference between 1 U of hydrogen and 1 Z of hydrogen? 1 U is the atomic mass of 1 atom. This is the mass of 1 atom. But 1 Z is the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 numbers of hydrogen atoms mass. So that concept is very important. Thank you very much.